Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to take you through some awesome bebop exercises that are going to help you sound like this. But first, if you're new to this channel, be sure to click subscribe and please turn on notifications to make sure you never miss any more videos just like this one. First, I'm going to show you a couple exercises based on the most common jazz progression of all time. You guessed it, 2-5-1. Then we're going to go into a couple other common progressions. Now if you want to get even more in depth with your improvisation and master it quickly, I have 20 awesome exercises available. It's a PDF on my website, jazzpianoconcepts.com/store. Alright, let's dive right into these exercises. Thanks again for watching everybody. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and found it super helpful. For more lessons just like this, be sure to click subscribe and click the little bell to turn on notifications to make sure you never miss more videos. If you want all 20 exercises, be sure to check out the PDF on my website. Alright guys, see you at the next one.